Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to re-dop a stone which fell off of the dop, so the wax cracked, but with a method, with the glue, super glue method. The other time I show you how to do it heating up the wax again, and this time I'm going to show you the method using super glue. So stay tuned and let's find out how. So as you can see here, the piece came out, but it left a big imprint of the wax which remained here on the dop. So today I'm going to use a super glue to put them back together. So we put the dop into the transferring block. Now I didn't bother to clean the back of the stone completely, but there is a flat surface of the table there. Now we're going to align it like this again. Okay, see, got to match the shape of the wax. We're going to put a drop of super glue in. This is cyanoacrylate glue, strong one, what I got, and until you can't see any seam anymore, keep it pressed together. So we wait that the glue dries up, and then we can continue cutting. Okay, a few minutes has passed. We got it back. And we can continue cutting. Alright, so I'll show you now that to remove this is just like same like removing the wax. So I'll stir it up and just pop it out right away, and you put it inside of alcohol or acetone just to clean it. Okay, thanks a lot, thanks for watching. God bless you, see you next time with the next video. Bye bye.